Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I have installed one of the most beautiful wigs, super beginner friendly, upgraded technology. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's sponsor, RPGSHOW. I'm obsessed with them, of course. Let's talk about what I have installed because you guys, this wig is absolutely gorgeous and I never want to take it off. If I could just wear one wig for the rest of my life, it'll be this one. I'm telling you. What I have installed is a 20-inch silky straight highlighted 13x6 tinted Swiss lace. So this is in the color light brown that I have installed, and this is their new Glueless Fit 2.0 wig. Insert a clip of what the difference is between this fit versus your standard regular glueless wig and why it's so amazing, because we know you guys have seen me review a lot of glueless frontal wigs that I had to always glue down 100% because it was a little bit flapping in the wind. Even closures can't even get to this level of fit. It is amazing. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of today's review.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night and a shooting star so vibrant you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in.
So I did cut a bit of the lace off of this wig already. It's so HD, guys. You could leave the lace on, you wouldn't be able to tell that it's there. Okay, that's good. And now I'm gonna cut the lace off. So I need to get real close to the mirror because I can't even see the lace. Yeah, you can actually wear this glueless. Look at it, it's invisible. I'm blown away. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Every shot you make, no, you've never heard of pain because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday.
I'm gonna spray some melting spray.
Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to.
Some powder on the part. Where is my powder? Only because I just really like the look of that.
Like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna try this in the middle part. That placement of that highlight is so beautiful.
24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best.
And when I tell you this wig is absolutely gorgeous, it comes fully ready to wear. All you have to do is cut the lace off and then go. Beautiful. And it came styled in this side part, so I left it in the side part, but I'm a middle part babe, and I'm curious to see where that highlight is gonna lay in the middle part. But look at her, guys. The hair is just so silky and is giving ashy blonde. I love the ashy blonde. It's perfectly toned, perfectly highlighted. This is my favorite type of blonde, when it has black and blonde. This is like my dream come true. Oh my goodness. Still 100% glueless, y'all. I can't believe it. Look, lacewear. Wow.
The trouble's why nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way?
So guys, my final thoughts on this wig is absolutely beautiful. I did film this portion of the review already and I came back, I reinstalled the wig, and only portions I secured are the ear tabs here. So it is still glueless, but you can see that glueless technology. Look when I release the wig what it does. It just melts in. amazing. Why I love this wig so much, y'all, is because you don't have to put any product here. I find that the product just looks so built up when I wear foundation, because I apply my wigs after I apply my foundation, and it never looks super clean and crisp along the hairline if you do it in that order. I think this is the perfect option because it looks like it's melted down, but it's not. Trust me when I tell you, not every wig is like this. She is so gorgeous, and guys, it's so silky, and you can see that it does come slightly layered, and it is so cute. Oh my goodness, like, something about their wigs screams get it in a shorter length. This is a 20-inch, but it is so thick. It is 200% density, and it's not giving thin at all. The 20-inch is sitting so perfectly. I definitely recommend you picking up one of these wigs if you can, because you're going to be obsessed with it. This is a unit that is an investment piece, but when you invest in it, you're going to have it for years to come. There's no way it gets any better than this. Like, baby. Guys, this wig is caviarkezzy approved, of course. 100%. If I could give it 10 stars, I would. Anywho, guys, that is all for today. I'm obsessed with it. I'm living my best life, and I hope you guys enjoy this wig as much as I do, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment on your thoughts below. I want to wish RPGSHOW a special happy 18th anniversary. That's amazing that you guys have been around for 18 years. I wish you 118 more. Go shop RPGSHOW. Maybe there's going to be some perks, some discounts, some special deals. So check out the website. I'm going to link it in the description box for you. I have never seen a straight wig that holds such a beautiful curl without any hairspray. What? Oh my goodness. Bye, y'all.